question, the tough problem is, the tough part is how to judge whether the number of tiles, okay, the number of tiles, column wise. So row wise, everyone will be able to calculate it, but how to judge it column wise? So there is some kind of estimation that you will have to make, because this is a converging figure. A converging figure means it is getting diminished as we move further ahead, northwards, right? And it is getting expanded as we move southwards, right? Southward means at the bottom and northward means at the top. So this is a converging figure, and in that case, it makes it difficult to judge whether the size of the tiles, because the size of the tiles will be varying every row. Okay, that is the major problem over here. So rough estimation can be done. Okay, let me show you how the rough estimation can be done. So if I see, this is my top border, right? And if you see, this is my bottom one. Now I need to figure out whether how many rows there can be there, right? How many columns can be there. So just try to make these points over here. You to understand this, everyone? Sorry, this one will come over here. So this is how you have to do it. Okay, just try to make some points over there so that you clearly understand what is happening here, right? Like this. So these points will make it clear how many rows and columns. Now you can very easily understand. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, and 6. So what is 6? The number of columns are 6. Am I correct? Columns is equal to 6. Now we need to find what is the number of rows. So rows will be, again you put the points over here. Okay, so 1, then this can be 2, 3, 4. Like wait, so what I have done is I have made a grid over here. So this is, okay, now see the number of rows was how many? So these are columns, right? So columns are coming out to be 6 and rows are coming out to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again a one more, because this is also there, but the quotient doesn't calculate that. The green part is not over there, right? But still we have to count. There are 6 rows. So ideally speaking, 6 into 6 will make how much? 36. Ideally speaking, that should be 36. But if you see, this is an omission, this is an omission, and this is an omission. So 36 minus 3 should give you 33, and this is your right answer. Is that okay, guys? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now this will be an easy question or a difficult question? Tell me.
Easy one.
It will be an easy question if you understand the pattern of the tiles that is given, which is straightforward. Okay. Now let me tell you one more thing. When this question came in exam in 2020, there was already a similar question in the mock test that we shared with students, the mock test that students did. And there was a similar question. Instead of tiles, it was something else. There was still a tiles. Instead of floor, it was a wall. That was the only difference. Otherwise, everything remained the same. Okay. So our mocks are really helpful. So if you go through the mocks and everything, you will definitely understand what we're trying to mean. Okay. So before we actually write the UCEED exam, there will be like 10 to 12 mocks of actual UCEED pattern that you will be solving. And real time. Real time as in, we'll fix similar timings for you, like 3 hours. They will have GAT and CAT both. Okay. And before writing the actual exam, you are writing 12 or maybe 10 to 12 mocks. So that will definitely help you.